So first open Google Chrome, the new tab, type getintopc.com. In the search box, write Adobe Photoshop. Click go and open this Adobe Photoshop 2021 free download. After that, click on download 64-bit x64. It is of 2.4 GB. After that, click on save. So I have already downloaded my Microsoft Office 365 get into PC Adobe Photoshop. So click on show in folder. So this is my show Adobe Photoshop. So after that we have to extract it. So it is a WinRAR archive file. So you will use WinRAR to extract it. Right click the file, click on extract here, give the password as 123, which is also written here, password 123, and click on OK. So I have already extracted it. Click on Adobe Photoshop and right click the setup and click on run as administrator. So not too long the video, I have already done the setup. So let me show you. So let me open Adobe Photoshop. Right click, click on open. So it is initializing. At first time it is loading, that is why it is taking some time. After that, click on create new. So it will create. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Bye bye.